Hooray! Kling 3.0 is now live on Higgsfield, so you better stop doing random AI videos that still feels messy, jumpy, and impossible to edit. No one has told you this yet, but control is the real upgrade in AI video, not realism. And this is exactly why Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield is a big deal. Instead of regenerating clips from scratch every time, Kling 3.0 lets you build videos scene by scene with real control over pacing, motion, and subject consistency, and it is built around these principles. Your character stays consistent, your timing stays clean, and your workflows finally feels like editing real footage, not gambling with prompts. Kling 3.0 combines generation and editing into one smooth process, so you iterate, refine, and shape your video instead of starting over again and again. And these changes have serious creators use in videos. So let's jump in. Welcome to Higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield is quickly becoming the fastest growing hub for generative AI, with a single mission: to be the most creator friendly platform in the world. They have just launched Kling 3. Kling 3 is a next generation AI video model that transforms your scripts, images, and audio into fully structured cinematic sequences. Built on a native multimodal framework, it combines multi-shot direction, native audio, element consistency, and continuous 15-second generation into one unified model. The industry really hasn't seen this level of coherence before. It uses a unified video architecture that manages the generation and visual consistency automatically before the final export. This means stories unfold in one continuous take. Characters stay consistent even when the camera moves. Text remains readable, and dialogue feels grounded and intentional. This tool is incredible, and Higgsfield is making it accessible right here on Higgsfield.ai. When you visit the site, you will see a wide variety of AI tools available. However, today, our main focus is on the newly launched Kling 3. I have the tool open in this tab, so let's take a look. As you can see, the workflow is designed to be simple. It follows a one-click philosophy. You can add an optional photo, choose a preset, and get your video. However, the most important step is adding your prompt. You always need to input a prompt. For this example, I have pasted one right here. If you look below, you will see the start frame and end frame options. These are optional but give you extra control. Let me add an image as a start frame. I could add an end frame as well to guide the video, but since my prompt doesn't strictly require it, I'll leave it blank. Additionally, this tool includes full audio support. We saw audio capabilities in Kling 2.6, so it's no surprise to see it here, but the quality has been significantly improved. One excellent feature I really love is elements. You can add elements here like images of a character or object to keep the look consistent across every video you generate. Now, let's look at the duration settings. They range from 3 seconds all the way up to 15 seconds. We aren't limited to short clips. This is a masterpiece for longer takes. If you check the resolutions, they offer up to 1080p. The minimum is 720p, but you have the option for high definition 1080p, which is what we have selected. What makes Kling 3 so unique, however, is the multi-shot feature. When you toggle on multi-shot, you will see a new interface appear. The standard prompt box disappears and you get this new layout. It is very intuitive. In this scenario, you can stitch multiple shots into a single video file. Let's say I want to add up to 5 shots in one video. the limit is 5 shots and each scene defaults to 3 seconds. So I just have to input my narrative. I'll input my first prompt here, then my second prompt, here's the third prompt, and finally the fourth prompt. Since I only have 4 prompts, I will delete the unused shot slot. I can also adjust the timing. For example, I can increase one of these shots to 5 seconds or more. Once that is set, I simply hit generate. That is how easy it is to create complex videos with Kling AI. This is really going to change how AI videos are created. It is truly amazing. Okay, wow, this is a win for creators and team moving from experimentation to video production. Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield provide a clear practical foundation. So if you care about structured professional AI video workflow, hit the like. It helps more creators find this video. Leave the link in the description to try Kling 3.0. So subscribe for more real breakdown like this and watch the next video on your screen, because that's where the real power of Kling start to show. See you on the next one. Peace.